So I was telling that I'm going to tell a story that you might have heard several times before, and that is connected more industries over mobile networks, but this time it's going to work. Right? I will tell you this world where we are today and where I think we're going. And my name is Johan Eker. I work at Ericsson Research. Ericsson Research is like 800 large research group at Ericsson. In my team, we did Bluetooth once upon a time. We did Bluetooth once upon a time. And we did research on everything from hardware, security, to radio protocols and networks and so on. It's optics, whatever can be interesting to a telecom company. And then I work at Lund University as a professor in real-time systems. I like robots and stuff that works and moves. So how does technology actually, nothing works today. This just takes time. So how is technology shifts actually happening? I think we tend to believe that technology shifts are binary. We're first here and then we're here, like when the iPhone came. That's a singular moment when things change. But really, that was not a singular moment, because many things were building up to the point where the displays were maturing, the size of the memory went up to 128 megabytes. The telecom network infrastructure were passing enough data for us to actually have a useful experience on the phone. Many things take time. And when it comes to industrialized 5G applications, it's actually building in the background, bit by bit, forming us coming to a position where it is mature enough to actually get deployed for real. So gradually, then suddenly. And this is a Hemingway quote about bankruptcy, but that's another thing. So if we then look back on sort of the Gs, we're right now working on 6G. I've been involved in that for the last 4 or 5 years. And 6Gs, the Gs typically come with a 10-year interval, and there is a 10x extra in throughput or capacity or something. But let's start with 1G here. It wasn't called 1G at that point. It was called NMT. It was completely analog. NMT stands for Nordic Mobile Telephony. And the Nordic countries went together and then they created a standard. And you can see that both Ericsson and Nokia became dominant in the future of telecom, mainly because this sort of joint venture between the governments and the companies. And this was analog, and it was portable in the sense that you could have it in your car, in your trunk, but it was not really portable in the sense that you would like to carry it around if you had to.